Big Bear Dave. Gregory, where are you at?
Surprise!
There you are, kid.
Hey, Gregory, meet my friend, BB.
Hi.
Oh, is this another boyfriend?
Well, yes, he's a boy and a friend.
That's not funny! Oh, you think it's funny, huh? Well, I'll show you funny the next day. What happened?
Well, that balloon kid knocked the poop out of you. You were out for an entire day. Yeah, that clown girl was really worried about you.
She was?
Yeah, she just couldn't understand why you attacked her big brother.
Her big brother?
Yeah, that's what BB stands for.
Hello.
What are you doing here?
Hey guys, thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.